Namaste, welcome to Monday Bytes from ChitraCars. Thanks for supporting me, encouraging me to do more videos on car tips. Like the channel, share it to your friends and relatives and subscribe the channel. Any comments, please comment it on the comment box. Today we're talking about what are features which are must, which help us to prevent accidents. Number one, tire pressure monitoring system, which should be embedded in every car. Once you are going on a highway, normally when you're going on a highway, at high speeds the tire gets burst and there are major accidents happening on that. So if you have a tire pressure monitoring system in it, it prevents you that. Then 360 view camera view for all the cars, which will help us to have a visibility of all the driving, all the corners, 360 view, where it prevents you from getting into accidents. Then sensors, front and back parking sensors, which are must. Like you are driving on high speed and something is going to come in front. So if the sensor gives you an alert in advance, or front or back, you prevent accident. Then lane detector alert. Lane detector alert is like you are going on highway in lanes and you are changing lanes to lanes. So you get a beep in the car alerting you that you are changing the lane very oftenly. So you will get into a single lane and you prevent accidents. Then front collision accident system, which prevents you from getting into accident. Then anti-roll bar will help you to protect. These are all the features which are must in a car today whenever you're buying. So where it prevents you from getting into accident. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think ChitraCars. Thank you.